The transition from one year to the next is a natural prompt for introspection, a moment to pause and look at the journey you traveled and plan the path ahead. Have you taken a moment to reflect on what the new year means to you? Here are some reflections that will guide you to have a great start on the new year. The concept of a new year is both symbolic and practical. Symbolically, it represents a fresh start, a clean slate upon which you can reflect on your hopes, dreams, and resolutions. It's a time to set intentions, envision a better version of yourself and your life. This symbolic new beginning brings optimism and a belief that the coming year holds positive changes. On a practical level, the new year should serve as a marker for progress, a checkpoint where you can evaluate the goals you set in the preceding year. Did you accomplish what you set out to achieve? What lessons did you learn along the way? Reflecting on these questions can be both enlightening and humbling. It's an opportunity to celebrate victories, no matter how small, and to acknowledge areas where growth is still needed. The new year brings a blend of excitement and reflection. Excitement about the possibilities that lie ahead, the opportunities for personal and professional growth, and the chance to make a positive impact. Simultaneously, reflection on the challenges faced and lessons learned in the past year. These reflections are not meant to dwell on mistakes or missed opportunities, but to gain insights that will guide your actions and decisions in the future. The new year highlights the importance of balance and mindfulness. While it's essential to set ambitious goals and strive for improvement, it's equally important to appreciate the present moment and the journey itself. Life is a series of experiences, and each moment contributes to our growth and development. In the midst of resolutions and aspirations, it's crucial you cultivate gratitude for the experiences that have shaped you and the people who have walked along your side. The new year is not just about self-improvement, it's also about fostering connections, building relationships, and contributing to the well-being of others. In essence, the new year is a canvas awaiting the brushstrokes of your intentions, actions, and relationships. It's a time to dream big, work diligently, and embrace the unpredictability of the journey. As you step into the new year, you must carry with you the wisdom gained from the past and the enthusiasm to create a future filled with purpose, mindfulness, growth, and meaningful connections.